Hi everybody, in this video you are going to watch about a model of a railway station.
Now I am going to teach you The Woman on Platform 8 written by Ruskin Bond. This is the model of a railway station. A train is here. There is a god. He is carrying a flag. A boy is sitting here. The name of the boy is Arun. Students, how is the model? Thank you children. Thank you so much for your compliments.
I am going to ask you some questions from the model of a railway station. Okay children?
What is this?
This is model of train.
Very good, very good. This is a model of a train. How many trains are here?
There is one train.
There is one train. Very good, very good. Sit down. What is this?
This is a canteen.
Canteen. Very good. What is this?
This is a ticket counter.
Very good. This is a ticket counter. Ticket counter. How is the model? What is the model? Superman. Yes, the model is Superman.
I am going to ask you some questions.
What is this?
This is a